Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to another Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial. Today we will be creating this.
My hands are shaking, my heart is pacing. I got a feel for
Yep,
this rock
that's
and
right. We will be putting our video in text. All right, it's going to be a quick tutorial. Let's jump right into it. All right, so you just need your video file, whatever video you're going to have. You just want to click, drag it into your timeline. I'm just going to click on mute. You can see we have our video playing, have a little background action, close-ups, all that good stuff. All right, so right here we have our text tool, so we're just going to click on that and click on the video and type in whatever you want. All right, so this is all about rock, so we're rocking out. So we have our text here. After this, we want to go to our graphics tab right here. If your essentials graphics doesn't pop up, you can just go up to window and then you can go down and click on essential graphics and then it should pop up. After that, we want to click on edit. So we have our edit. So we just want to edit our text. Okay. So we click on this. You can see all these options come up over here right now. So in this area right here, we can click and drag to make our text bigger. We can click this guy to kind of line it up a little bit. It tends to be going to the right. And then put it a little bit in the center. And right now it looks good. It looks really good. All right. Right now we need to go and add a black background. So we go to new layer and rectangle tool. And if your rectangle isn't black, you need to make it black. To make it black, you can go click on the rectangle right here and just change it to black. You can just go to the top left and click OK. Make sure that this is clicked, fill, and have all your settings the same over here. All right. So we're going to click on our selection tool so we can make our rectangle big. So you can just hover over the edge, click and drag, hover, click and drag, and do that. So now we have all black, but we can't see our text. The reason that is our text is behind our shape layer. So we just wanted to click and drag our text over top of this layer, and then boom, we have it. So next thing we want to do is change our blend mode, which is over here. We're just going to click on multiply. We change it to multiply. You can see our video is behind the text right there. So if I click play, our video is playing behind the text. So we're pretty much there right now. Okay. So now you can see the video came through. The reason for that is because it's not the same duration as that video. So we just click, hover over this, click and drag all the way to the end, and boom, we have our video playing. That's pretty cool. All right. So that's it for that portion. If that's all you wanted, that's awesome. If you want a little bit more, you want to see the text come in at different times, keep watching. All right. So what we're going to do is click on the drop down arrow over here. And then we're going to make sure we activate this toggle animation. So you want to make sure that your blue timeline indicator is at the very beginning, so you can click and drag this to the place to where you want it. Click, it made a keyframe right here. And then what we want to do is just get rid of all the other letters right here. So what I'm going to do is click on rock, maybe double click this, then we're just going to delete the text right now. So this keyframe right now is going to represent one letter. And then we're just going to go out. I'm just going to click on this, change the time to 2 seconds. Okay. I'm going to click right here and then put an O. Okay. You can see another keyframe was created. So I'm going to go to 4 seconds. Click right next to the O, put a C. Boom. So you see another keyframe was made. And then I am going to go to 6 seconds and then click right here and place a K. So if I fall back on my timeline indicator, press play, you can see that looks good, right? Nice. All right, so I'm just gonna fire it up.
My hands are shaking, my heart is pacing. I got a feel for this rock and roll. My hands are shaking, my heart is pacing. I got a feel for this rock and roll.
Nice. Well, thank you guys for watching. This is Christian Valentine with 214 Studios. Please like the video if you like the video. Make sure you subscribe if you want more videos like this. And I'll catch you guys later. Peace.